Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Adriana, and this is a space where I share recipes with you that I love, especially plant-based Mexican food. Today, I want to share with you another really traditional salsa from Mexico, that is salsa Xnipec, a delicious red onion and habanero salsa. The ingredients are 2 cups of thinly sliced red onion, 3 thinly sliced habanero peppers, half a teaspoon of sea salt, the juice of 3 bitter oranges, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and a little bit of water to top it off. This salsa is very commonly found in the Yucatan area of Mexico. It is often served as a spicy topping to some of the most popular dishes of the area. It's actually where I first found it. During one of my trips to the Yucatan Peninsula, we often found this salsa served on many restaurant tables, and it quickly became one of the favorite salsas to add to any dish, and we started making it here at home. One of the reasons the salsa is so special is because of the bitter orange. I highly recommend that you really try to find this ingredient. But obviously, if it's too difficult for you to find it in your country, you can substitute it for a combination of equal parts orange juice and lime juice. The name Xnipec roughly translates from the Mayan language to English as nose of a dog, because it is said that this salsa is so spicy that you will sweat like a dog. Once you toss everything together, let the salsa rest for at least 1 hour, but preferably overnight. So there you have it, another traditional and delicious salsa from Mexico. I love to add this onto any type of taco and pretty much any dish that I want a little bit of spiciness to. But let me know down in the comments when you try it, what your favorite thing to add it to is. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the future recipes or any of the cooking live streams that we do on the channel. Buen provecho.